So guys, for the first step, you're going to go to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to reset the PC. Instead, next to advanced startup, you're going to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load, which will now take us to here. Now once we're here, you're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then startup settings. And then click on restart. And now once we're on this, you want to enable safe mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4, wait for this to load, which will now take us into safe mode. Now once we're here, you want to search for system configuration. Click on it. And now once we're on this, make sure that you're on the general tab. Now you want to select selective startup. You can tick both these boxes. And now you want to go to the services tab. You want to select hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all, which will now unselect everything, and then click on OK. And then click on restart, which will now take you back into Windows, and this should now fix your problem.